farmers will always play a key role in supporting the community. Youth is a key initiative. Bringing It Home wants to thank Taylor Farms and others for supporting Rancho Cielo. Here's an inside look at what they're doing.
The one thing that's common is none of us choose what family we're born into or what life we're born into. They're all kind of a victim of circumstance, you know? They're all just put in these situations that are really challenging to try to overcome. So that kind of persistence is also what you find with our students.
They all come from difficult backgrounds. My first goal is to get them comfortable and wanting to come to the classroom.
Since starting my time here at Rancho, it made me a lot more confident to go out into the world and seek employment that I would like to have or talk to people I'd like to talk to about advancing my culinary skills in my career.
I've never been in a place that didn't try to help every single student, and the ranch wants every student to succeed. Support from my administration and the ranch staff is unbelievable.
With the support here, being able to achieve their high school diploma, being able to get some really solid vocational training, and at the same time being able to make those connections and relationships with other chefs and other managers. They're ready to join the workforce, they're ready for continued education, they're hopefully inspired, they've got a stronger work ethic leaving here than they came with. They've got a new sense of responsibility, and they've really built on some confidence.
In my experience from the past in high school, I'd always loved my culinary classes. And I loved learning to cook, I loved working with food, and I wanted to learn how to apply that in a job setting. At Rancho Cielo, they teach you how things flow. When there's a lot of people coming into the restaurant, you have to be able to work together. And Rancho Cielo definitely teaches you how to work together in the most efficient way possible.
People come out here and they see this, and even visitors come and they're always left with the same thought of, why doesn't my community have a youth campus like this? It's a great place to be, it's a great place to work. It started off with it being a very impersonal thing, and as the years gone on, it's become very much more personal, and the relationships with some of them have grown. And honestly, I really hope that we continue to work together. I'm really looking forward to seeing them develop and seeing them develop into professionals.
The Drummond Culinary Academy and Rancho Cielo have really helped me gain the confidence to work in any restaurant and be able to commingle with my coworkers and make sure things happen in the order they need to happen and as efficiently as they can.